Hi guys, next one around, bit of armour this time and a bit of an odd aircraft. So amusing hobby, which we've had before, but we've now been able to finally get some good stock levels of it. This is a lot of their new stuff. This is the Ferdinand. Now this one's got, this one's the interior one. So this one's got a lot of detail inside it. It's quite nice. So they've done this version and they've also done the elephant. So these are quite nice. Sorry, wrong. This is the standard one. This is the interior one. So this one's got a whole lot of detail inside. If you have a look at the side there, you can see how much detail they've put in the interior wise. So these are very, very nice. Music's really going along in leaps and bounds. They're still playing around with modern day stuff and regular stuff, but they're also still doing a lot of 1946 types, Germany 46 stuff type of things, so things like that. So if you're looking for the future of what was armour and things like that, that's pretty cool. Also, this is one of the modern ones. This is the T-72 M2 Moderna. From music as well. This is the Slovakian Mtb. I believe this is a current vehicle, so you know it's quite different. Anti-aircraft type aircraft tank on the side there. So very, very nice. So there you go. So there's that one. Just pause. Now, as I said, this is a restock of their Triebflugel. This is quite nice. About halfway through one of these, so. If you want to chase up one of them, they've got restocks of that. Now, this is their latest one. This is the 1/48 scale Weserflug P1003 vertical takeoff aircraft. When they announced it, I thought, I've never heard of this one, so this is a bit odd. Yeah, it's a 1946-47 Luftwaffe. I can't even find if it ever went to even mock-up. So, but these guys have chased up a fair bit and everything else. The kit itself is very straightforward. There's only 2 sprues to really worry about and a clear part, which is just there. So nice plastic. The detail is really, really good. It's fine. Cockpit's a bit sparse, but then how much of it would you know? If you really want to go to town, you could sort of add stuff to it and everything else. The seat's a bit basic, stuff like that. But what is good is the amount of detail that's in things like the undercarriage bay, which is just there, right? You can see how much detail's in there. So that's very, very good. Even the gear doors have all got detail on them. That's the props there. And then this is the undercarriage. The undercarriage legs and all that sort of stuff are very, very nice. There's quite a bit of detail in that. So it's quite a nice kit. And to show you how nice it is, took this home the other day, sat down, and in about 5 hours, I got it to this stage. Now, I haven't painted it, so don't get all thing about it, but it's a really, really simple kit. There's the cockpit, that's in place. I haven't painted that up yet. This is all not even stuck together yet. So you can see the fit is very, very good. So very happy with that. There's your undercarriage with the legs in. I haven't glued them in, they're just plugged in at the moment. So you can see that the detail is very, very good. All of this I'm going to paint once I take it apart. But it's just really nice. It's just done really, really well. So there's that bit. Then there's that bit. Then there's that bit, and there's that bit. And yes, the propellers do have that forward push on them, so don't try and fix them or do whatever you want. You think it's out of shape. It's not. It actually shows it that way. And that there is basically the kit built. Put some tar planes on it, do some other bits and pieces, which are quite simple. It's, as I said, it's not a hard kit to build. Goes together very well. Quite happy with it. As I said, this is about 5 hours of work, so it's not going to stress you for building it and everything else. So there you go. It's 48 scale, so it works quite well, and it does have its rotational wings. There you go. So I'm going to disassemble this, paint up all the cockpit. There's not a lot of detail in the cockpit. I'll put some seat belts in. The clear parts are really, really nicely done. Decal sheet, very straightforward. 3 different choices of markings. You've got a nighttime 1 and 2 daytime aircraft. Obviously, they're either just reconnaissance or heavy lift, but there you go. There's no weapons included in it or anything like that. So from what I can understand, it was supposed to be a reconnaissance or light transport, light lift sort of vehicle. Instruction sheets is not a lot. There's the choices of markings. I'm actually going to do a second one because I want to play around and do a bit of an odd scheme and maybe, or I'm toying with the idea of doing as though it was built and it was captured at the end of the war, and I'm going to do an air ministry type aircraft with American or RAF roundels or whatever. So just as something different, if you're looking for that sort of 48 scale stuff, Luftwaffe 46, this is quite nice. It's just really well done. It's simple, straightforward. It's got enough friction that you can turn the props back around to the thing and they sit at the correct angle. So there you go. So other than that, have a great day. We'll talk again soon. See ya.